Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a video call on Telegram desktop. If you want to start a video call from your PC, Telegram makes the process very simple. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and sign in to your account. From the chat list, open the conversation with the person you want to call. Now look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the phone icon. A call window will appear on the screen with the contact's profile picture and call options. To start a video call, click the Start Video button with the camera icon. Telegram will begin starting a video call with that contact. If a webcam is available, Telegram can use it automatically for the video call. During the call, you'll see the call controls on the screen. You can manage the call from there, and when you're ready to finish, simply click the Cancel or End Call button. The video call will end immediately. Telegram video calls are free over the internet and provide a secure way to communicate with friends, family, and colleagues directly from your computer. That's how you can make a video call on Telegram desktop. It only takes a few clicks and is very easy to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.